I just generated these two videos completely for free. Script, footage, voice, subtitles, and background music. And all I did was give it one sentence. That's it. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set it up completely for free, generate a video live from scratch, and show you exactly what the output looks like. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to this GitHub repository. This project has 92 stars on GitHub. It's called MoneyPrinterTurbo. It's free, open source, MIT license, and I will be providing a link to the repo in the description. So the way it works is you give it a topic or a keyword, it writes a script using whatever AI model you want. So think OpenAI, Gemini, Claude, DeepSeek, and even a local Llama model. Then it pulls royalty-free footage automatically from Pexels, Pixabay, or Cover. It generates a voiceover, it times the subtitles to the audio, and it drops in background music. And finally, at the end, it exports an MP4. It even has a full web UI, so there's no coding required. It runs on your machine, which means your content stays yours. So you can run it in two ways. The first one is on your local machine, which full instructions are in the repository, or in Google Colab, which is what we're doing today in this video. Now, I personally found that this is the easiest way to use it because it requires no installation. All right, so let's go ahead and show you guys how to do it in Google Colab. So we're going to scroll down until we see this link right here, which is going to direct us to open it in Google Colab. So go ahead and do that. Okay, awesome. Now we are here. And basically we're going to go over all of these instructions, okay? Follow my lead here, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. So we're going to go ahead and first we're going to connect, and we're going to connect by changing our run type to T4 GPU. This is going to help it run a little bit faster, which is what we want. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and run this. We're going to install the dependencies that we need. You can go ahead and click run anyway if you get this. Gonna let that cook for a little bit. Okay, cool. So once we have installed all of our dependencies and this block has finished running, we're going to go ahead and move on to the second block, which is going to be configure ngrok for remote access. And this is basically going to allow us to deploy using ngrok, and then we're going to use that deployment URL to access the web UI. Okay, now just a reminder, everything is free, so don't get scared by any of these APIs and auth tokens that we're using. Okay, so you're gonna have to go to ngrok dashboard in order to get your auth token. So we're gonna open that here. It's gonna redirect you. You can go ahead and redirect, and then you're gonna have to sign in, do all that fun stuff. And once you hit here, the dashboard, you copy this. You're gonna go here, and you're going to paste it right in between the quotation marks. Okay, once you have that here, you're gonna run it, and this should be successful. Obviously, I'm not going to do that right now because I don't want to expose my auth token. And then we move down over here, and I can show you guys this portion. Okay, and now we're going to go here and we're going to execute this cell. Okay, and if everything is successful, it's going to give us this URL, which we can access it right here. So let me go ahead and move over to that tab. Okay, it's going to ask you this. You're going to press visit site, and it's going to open the web UI. Okay, now from here, before we can actually generate a video, we're going to have to do a couple more of configurations, keeping in mind that this is still completely for free as long as you do it the way I do it, and you have a limited amount of usage because it's free. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open up basic settings. We're going to go over here. If you guys have an LLM provider, if you guys have a subscription or access to any of these providers, you can go ahead and set this up. But if you don't know what the heck this means, then go ahead and just copy me. So we're going to go over the Gemini. Gemini has a free tier where it allows you limited access to some of their models. If you don't know how to get an API key from them, it's completely free. You guys can check out this video here to get that API key. Okay, And once you're there, you're gonna go ahead and paste your API key. Make sure you press enter to apply. No thanks. And you can go ahead and leave the model as is. Now, the second thing we're gonna have to configure is we can configure any of these sources. I'm not sure if all of them are free, but I know Pexels API is free with limited usage. So you're gonna go ahead and here, and we're gonna open this, and you're gonna go ahead and get an API key from here. Again, it's free and it should be easy. Okay, now once you do that, you're gonna paste it into here, you're gonna press enter, and now we should be all ready and set to go. So we're gonna close this real quick. Now, the only thing you really need to provide is the video subject. In this case, I will be giving a video subject of how ordinary people are making their first $10,000 online without selling anything. Okay, and then from this video topic, you can automatically generate a video script or you can manually put one in, as well as generate video keywords, which get generated here. Um, it will use the LLM provider you specified here in order to do that. So we're gonna head and click to use AI to generate video script and video keywords, and then it's gonna take a moment and it will generate the video script along with the video keywords. Okay, awesome. So now you can see our script is here and we have our video keywords. All right, it's going to use our video source from Pexels, which again, we already gave our API key. It's going to be a portrait 960, which means vertical resolution, but you can pick landscape, aka horizontal, if you want to as well. We'll keep it at a short form video for now. And it's going to use a voiceover text to speech. We're going to go ahead and change it from Australian to American. So we'll switch it to Andrew Mail. Okay. And we're just going to leave it at random background music, but you can give it some custom music. You can give it a custom audio so it can generate speech. And then that's pretty much it. Now what we do is we generate video. And this is going to take a little bit to actually generate. So we'll be right back as soon as it finishes generating. All right, and it officially finished generating. If we do the math, we can see that it took approximately 20 minutes to finish. Started at 17 and it ended at 37. So yeah, approximately 20 minutes. So now let's go ahead and play it and we'll end it with that.
Forget the myth that you need to invent a groundbreaking product or master complex sales funnels to make money online.
Okay, that's it. So yeah, you guys get the gist of it. It's some stock footage from Pexels. It has it's using the Azure model for the text to speech, background music, subtitles, all that good stuff. So this is just a little glimpse of it. You can use custom music, you can use custom footage, you can use your custom voice. So there's a lot of things you guys can do with this, but that was just the basic kind of functionality what having free tier you can do with it. But anyways, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or just want to chat, feel free to leave a comment down below and I will get back to you trying to answer your question or anything like that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next one. Peace.